were just like going out for a walk or just like on a safari, and you see like a fucking like emu, and then it just splits in half. And there's like some like humanoid-looking thing just drinks the blood. That's what he did. He's like,
that was like cause for concern for like calling in the Marines. It's like
dead
oh, it's an
shit.
alien.
Stay out of the camera. Are I leave right now, or are you just gonna wait? Oh, okay. So I can give you my YouTube channel and link. It smells like it's burning. It smells like something's burning. Oh. Well, that's everyone.
GoPro's upside down.
Yeah, I know.
I know you.
Well, Krautlin's part of Krautland. I don't think Krautlin's a real thing. Yeah, Krautland. It's like a part of the nether.
What doesn't go down? Air tube. Yeah, what doesn't go down the air tube. Yeah, I got you. And like I want to record a part where you kind of like by the door, you throw the thing in, just get it off. Oh yeah. And it kind of frees the picture, of course, a little bit or whatnot. So we can remove it so people go in. Right. That'd be cool. I want to do that. Yeah, mine's pretty fucking. You know, it's fucking big. It's a big sucker. Yeah, pretty hard. And I've got some air. You know, the little. I don't know if those are enough, but a little. What those kind? Maybe. Like knife fight, drop it. I just zombies! Hey, wait! Nothing, just recording everyone passing by.
tactical knife.
Throwing the knife.
I'm trying to get Velcro, just slap it on, you know?
Yeah, this one does. I have the electric one too.
Is it sound activated? Is the electric one sound activated, or is it?
But I already broke it. Break yourself. What is that flying over my face? I got him at the landmine is now disabled.
For the Republic.
Old Republic.
Yes, before the Republic.
For the Empire. Is that what they said?
Republic. Traitor!
They made a comic about him.
Who?
Like explaining the traitor dude.
Ah,
You know, black clone. No, in Star Wars, the one that shouts like traitor. That's his
the traitor has the
When he's like
thing.
traitor, and then like he pulls out the thing when they have like the fight.
Oh, that guy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, what the fuck? Why don't you just shoot him, dude? He totally could have just like ended Star Wars.
Well, no, because like they made like a backstory. Apparently, like they had been like friends and like they had trained up from their like cadets all the way up to like when they were stormtroopers.
You didn't tell me that in the movie. How was I supposed to get
Well, like they did. Well, like no one knew that, but then like it became such a big thing. Like Disney made like little comics explaining what happened.
I still don't get why he betrayed the first order.
Yeah, then he's like, oh.
No. The big problem with that is he says he's in like janitorial services.
Yeah, what was he doing? Yeah,
What was he doing on a raid?
Yeah.
Yeah, just like, oh, the first order was running low on dudes. It's just like, oh, just send the janitorial guy. I'm sure he'll be fine.
Hey, you want to go get shot? Yeah, sure, why not?
And then that random dude like just like goes like, oh,
It's like, damn it, what the hell?
I can't see now.
What about the pilot? He shot like 20 down, 20 airplanes by himself.
Who?
The pilot who like wiped out like half the fucking fleet.
Yeah.
Yeah, that guy was bullshit.
Why was there janitorial service when he was trained to be combat effective?
Yeah, wasn't they like a droid?
Yeah.
There were civilian personnel in there that were walking around in like plain uniforms, right?
Yeah, they're like, hey, you know, the first time we spent thousands of dollars training.
I guess it's like the Marines and stuff. Everyone's a rifleman. And they just have to make the hero better and better.